Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the Google account that has Gemini enabled. This gives the model access to your files and preferences. Once done, upload or open the file you want to edit, image, document, or audio, because Gemini tailors suggestions to the input type. Make sure to switch into edit mode and pick the right Gemini model. Different models optimize for tone, brevity, or creative rewrite. This initial setup speeds the rest of the workflow and avoids context mismatch later on. You'll now perform the core editing. Select the exact text or region. Highlighting ensures Gemini focuses on the right context. Then give concise, directive instructions. State desired tone, target length, and any facts or sections that must remain unchanged. This clarifies intent and reduces errors. As Gemini returns options, iterate, accept the best, ask for refinements, or request alternatives. Make sure to use the comparison view to see changes side by side. So you preserve meaning. You finish by applying the chosen revisions and exporting the final file or saving changes directly in the document. Once done, use version history and comment threads for collaborative review so teammates can approve or suggest tweaks. If Gemini introduces wrong facts or odd phrasing, the fastest fix is refining your prompt with explicit constraints or reverting to a prior version and retrying. This keeps progress safe and ensures edits remain accurate. One troubleshooting tip: clear ambiguous instructions to reduce hallucinations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.